Hey fam, how's everybody doing today? Good, because we're back with another great recipe, you guys. We have an oven baked recipe for ribs, baby back ribs to be exact. Come on in the kitchen. So fam, what we have is two baby back ribs. Now today is Sunday and I'm cooking Sunday dinner. So yeah, you guys, I want to show you guys how to take the membrane off. Now as you see, this rib has the membrane off. But I decided to show you guys, so I pre-started it. Now you always want to go where the bone is. At least I do, right? And you just go ahead and you get up under there, right? Get up under there. And sometimes it's a little tougher than you think, right? Now be careful with the knife or fork or whatever you're using, right? And you just want to go ahead and peel that membrane away from the bone, right? So now it's best to use napkins, but I don't have any, and I'm kind of used to it now. And you're just gonna pull it and pull it back, and that's the first step you do when it comes to your ribs, right? And take any extra meat off, fat, right, that you don't want. Now these ribs is gonna go in the oven, and I'm gonna use this knife because instead of cooking them the whole slab, I'm just gonna go and go right through them and cut them. Oh yeah, you guys, this knife, it works excellent. I kid you not. You guys, I will leave a link in the description so you can get you one. But so like I say, this knife works excellent. So, you guys, it's not the knife, it's my hand. I have a trigger finger now for right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut this on the 2 bone, right? 2 bone. And make it enough, because I don't know who wants dinner. But this is more than enough for my household. And I'm just going to go ahead and wash this off. You guys, once I cut it, this last piece, I'm going to wash this off and we'll be back. So now I'm going to use Simply, let me see if you guys can see it. Yeah. Simply natural, I'm sorry. But extra virgin olive oil. And I'm just going to spray the bottom of this. Now I have my meat over here and we're just going to put our meat in here. Let's put it this side down because I want to season my meat. Now I'm using 3 seasonings. I'm going to use the garlic. And I'm going to use Creole. Yes, we're going to put a little Creole on here, okay? So I get tired of the same flavors, you guys. I had to change cameras, okay? So anywho, follow me on this. So I have some Creole seasoning, right? And we're just going to season this side with some Creole seasoning. Season every bit of it. And we're going to do some garlic powder. Now, I only have a little in this container, but I got more. But we only just need a little. we have some for soul food seasoning. Soul food seasoning. I'm gonna do this. Now, we're going to flip the meat over because this is the direction you want your meat to cook on. Bone side down, okay? Because we want all our meat to cook evenly. You guys, I'm going to turn this into bourbon ribs, baby back ribs. I don't know. But anyhow, today is Sunday. And it's a special day for me. Guys, wait 1 minute. Okay, we're back. So, I'm going to put this on 350 degrees, my oven, to bake these ribs. But I want you to understand, I'm not going to put any water in these ribs, because they're going to make their own juices. Right? Well, just a tap of water, if anything. But they're going to make their own juices. Now, I'm going to spray this side of the ribs. Excuse me. To give them that nice coating. The other side is not necessary. But anyhow, we're going to put these ribs in. I'm going to start them off with a little covering. A little covering. And that's going to be the rib. And we're going to let these bake at least an hour and a half. At least an hour and a half with the covering on. And then we'll be back. Okay, so guys, we have actually did us some bourbon sauce, you guys. I got it over in this pot right here. But I'm going to dip each rib. Now, each rib, I'm going to dip it in sauce. Then I'm going to let it cook on its own. Yes. I'm going to dip it. Now, you guys, this rib has been cooking approximately 2 hours. And they are so juicy. But we're going to let this sauce finish cooking into this rib. So let me go ahead and baste these sauces these ribs right quick. Okay, so as you guys can tell, I have put each one into the sauce. Now I'm going to put the remaining sauce on top. Now this is bourbon style, you guys. I want to show you what bourbon sauce that I use. And I just jazz it up with the little sweet honey. Uh-oh, you guys, I ain't meant to touch that. Can you guys see? Okay, there we go. Yes, this is what kind of sauce that I use. And that's it. You know, well, I spiced it up with a little honey. Well, some honey. Let's just put it like that. I eyeballed it. Honey, lemon juice. And a little different type of barbecue sauce. Thick and sweet, I think it is. By Open Pit. So we're going to slide this in the oven and let it finish cooking. You guys, now there you have it. You guys, if you like this video, thumbs it straight up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a family member. What you waiting on? And also, join my membership, you guys. But most of all, look at these delicious bourbon ribs. Or you could say barbecue ribs. But anywho, you guys, you could try this rib recipe out on spare ribs. You could try this recipe out on pork ribs, spare ribs, pork chops. Just try the recipe out. You guys, and don't forget, try the bourbon sauce as well. And give it a twink, Spice it up with a little brown sugar or a little honey like I did. And yeah, so this completes my Sunday dinner. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Look how rich that sauce is, you guys. Check it out. So yeah, these is my delicious ribs. And you can also have these for any game day recipe, you guys. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to share, like, and comment down below. And tell me, what's your favorite sauce on ribs? So, bye-bye.